Here we have two congruent circles, both of radius 5 centimeters. Both these circles have a common tangent PQ of length 26 centimeters. Now, if I were to join AB, tell me what sort of a figure will that be? This four-sided figure is not just any quadrilateral, it is going to be a parallelogram. Now, why is this going to be a parallelogram? Consider the sides PA and QB. They are of equal length. Both of them are 5 centimeters. Then, if you look at this circle, just this circle, you have a radius and you have a tangent meeting each other at the point P. So there you will get a 90 degrees. Again, if you look at this circle, radius and tangent meet each other at right angle. That means both of these line segments, if you consider PQ as a transversal, you see that they make the same angle. The corresponding angles are equal, which means what? PA and QB are parallel to one another, and PA and QB are also equal to one another. What do we call a quadrilateral whose one pair of sides are equal and parallel to each other? We call it a parallelogram. And then once we have established that it is a parallelogram, then what? Opposite sides are equal, which means AB is equal to 26 centimeters. That is what we needed to find. Now this PQ has served its purpose. I will remove it and put the other common tangent in its place. So what is our question? What are we looking for? We needed to find the measure of this common tangent RS. Now suppose RS intersects AB at a point say O. Then we can prove that triangle AOR is congruent to triangle BOS. Can you tell me why that is so? The sides AR and SB are radii of two congruent circles. Both of them are of measure 5 centimeters. We already know that if you take this circle, you will see that the radius and the tangent meet each other at right angles. And if you look at this circle, you will see that the radius here and the tangent here meet each other at right angle. Then what? Which two angles are same? These two angles. Why? Because they are vertically opposite angles. So by ASA congruency, you can prove that these two triangles are congruent to one another. Then by CPCT, what do you get? AO and BO are equal to one another, or in other words, this O is the midpoint of AB. But what did we find? AB was 26 centimeters. We already know that. So we have a 13 here and a 13 there. Then what? OR and OS are also equal to one another, which means this O is also the midpoint of RS. Now just look at the triangle ROA. What sort of a triangle is it? It is a right triangle. And what is its hypotenuse? It is 13. One of its legs is 5. What is the other leg? It is RO. Then what is RO? It is 12 centimeters. But RO is not what we need. We need the whole of RS. O is just its midpoint. So RS, the whole of that tangent is what? It is 24 centimeters. That is the answer we needed. So that is all for today. Assalamu alaikum.